Welcome to online class session, children. The world of plants. The world of plants. See, children, dispersal of plants. So, dispersal of plants means a scattering of seeds. Dispersal of plants means scattering of seeds away from the parental plant. Scattering of seeds away from the parent plant. So it is scattered away from parent plant so that it gets enough space to grow. It needs air, water and sunlight. It needs air, water and sunlight. So as it gets out from the parental plant, so it needs to grow air, water and sunlight. So fruits and seeds are scattered with the help of, so there are fruits and seeds also to be scattered with the help of wind and water. Wind, water and explosion. Scattered, the seeds are scattered through the wind, water, explosion and through animals also. So the seeds are scattered from one place to another place through wind, water, explosion and animals. See children, now we see by the sake of the wind. So some seeds of cotton and dandelion. So these are the seeds of cotton and dandelion are scattered by wind. So these are very small and light. These are the cotton and dandelion are very small. These seeds are very small. So they are scattered by the wind. They are scattered by the wind as they are very small and light. They are very small and very light. So by the air, it goes from one place to another. To the wind, it goes from one place to another place. So there are certain seeds. The seeds and fruits of plants that grow near water, are dispersed by water. That which grow near water, that are dispersed by the water. For example, see children, coconut and hydrilla. For example, coconut and hydrilla. So these are some plants. These are the seeds that are being closed by the water. These are dispersed by the water. These seeds are dispersed by the water like coconut and hydrilla. And children, see explosion. Some plants that will burst. So like balsam and pea. Balsam and pea. So these seeds are some fruits of the balsam and pea. They used to burst and open. The seeds are used to be burst and they will be open. So like that these plants are to be grown. Certain fruits of balsam and pea are scattered by the explosion. These will burst and these are the seeds get scattered by explosion. And through animals also some plants can be moved from one place to another place. See, there are certain thorny spines. So there is xanthium or spear grass. Xanthium and spear grass. So they have certain spines. So there are certain spines. Through the animals, they will clutch. As the animals move from one place to another place, along the body, they have certain body. No, through the fur of animals, these are to be scattered. These seeds are to be scattered. So many animals also help in seed dispersion. Some fruits are eaten by some birds and animals. Some fruits are to be eaten by birds and animals. So they are passed out from one animal to another animal. So they move from one place to another place as they eat. They move from one place to another place. So like that they take from one place to another place and to be dispersed. But through the animals. There are certain thorny bushes like xanthium and spear grass. So they have certain spines. So like that with the spines also through the animal fur also they have to be moved from one place to another place. So these are dropped at other places. Through animals fur these are dropped at another places. Children, now open your term books, children. I'll tell now grammar part, children. Open your EVS term books, children. Write with pencil, children. Page number 174. Page number 174. See children, here there are certain plants from far away. See has its origin from China. See, observe the pictures there, children. Some plants are brought from India, from faraway places. These plants have been brought from faraway places. And potato has come from Peru. Potato has come from Peru. And tomato was first grown in South Africa. Tomato was first grown in South Africa. And next, onion. Onion was originated in Egypt. And next one, children, coffee. Coffee was originated in Ethiopia. And next, apple. Apple has been brought from Central Asia. And next, watermelon. Watermelon has been brought from South Africa. And cinnamon is originated in Sri Lanka, children. So observe the pictures and learn that one, children. Next Roman, children, page number 175. Page number 175. Here are the fill in the blanks, children. First one, a seed has a dash, which is the outer protective covering. So a seed has a seed coat. A seed has a seed coat, which is the outer covering of a plant. So plants like fern and mushrooms do not bear any flowers. These plants do not bear any flowers. And next one, children, dash means scattering of seeds away from the parent plant. So seed dispersal is the scattering of the plants. And next one, children, development of a seed into a new plant is called as germination. So development of a seed into a new plant is called as germination. And next, fifth one, children, that gives warmth to the plant. So which gives warmth, children? The sunlight gives warmth to the plant. And next one, children, pick the correct answer. A plant that reproduces from spores is mushroom. So in the box A, just tick it, children. Second one, the seeds of cotton are dispersed by. So the seeds of cotton are dispersed by wind. And next one, children, tea is originated in which country it is originated? It is originated in China. It is originated in the China. And next one, children, which of these is essential for the germination of a seed? So air, water and warmth. All of these essential, children. So fourth one, it is D. All of these. And next one, children, match the following. So column A with column B, children. First one, coconut. So coconut is dispersed by water. Coconut is dispersed by water. D, children. Then spores. Spores have tiny structures. Spores have tiny structures. C. And papaya, what it is? Papaya, it has many seeds. Papaya has many seeds. And next, fourth one, children, seed coat. Seed coat means outer cover of the seed. Seed coat means outer cover of the seed. So match the following D, C, A and B. Turn the next page, children. So here is the structure of a seed. Here is the structure of a seed. Picture has been given, children. In the boxes you should write the answers, children. In the picture you should write the answer. Boxes has been given. See, first part. First part, it is epiphtol. What it is? And towards the left side, seed coat. Second one, it is seed coat. And the last one, children. Last one, children, what it is? Cotyledons. These two arrows refers to the cotyledons. Okay, children. Thank you.